So if you thought what I showed you there in the garden was gorgeous, look at these. So these are also Coprosmas, and they are from a breeder which provides amazing plants all across the world, and we are so lucky to have them here in South Africa because they are simply amazing plants. So I've got two beautiful Coprosmas here. The one is called Sunset, which is this guy, and this is Sunrise, which is the beautiful pinks. So let's go in a little bit closer. Now, the Sunrise has the little pink edges with the green in the center, and you can almost call it some burgundy flares, and then the paler pink on the edge. So it really almost does flare, and it's gorgeous. A nice compact plant. Look at that, beautiful compact plant that could be used as hedging, could be toperied, or just as an amazing plant in a container. I think it's wicked. I think it's absolutely wicked. And then this guy, Fireball, Firebomb. This is your Sunset. And guys, this is the deep burgundy, a really beautiful deep burgundy, almost chocolatey, and then the fiery bits of the red inside. But they take on different characters depending on the maturity of the leaves. A bit more of an upright plant. I do love the bits of green as the leaves are maturing. And once again, a fantastic plant to have in the garden. So from my side, well, you couldn't really get much better than this. And those are Coprosmas, whichever one you want. Just go and find one. And you will know that you have got a really good winning plant that you have added to your garden.